What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on OCGN ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might affect the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should you expect from the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, let me show you more thoroughly, at this very point, and I've told you that right after we had the emergency use listing from World Health Organization of the Covaxin, this company will have the decrease in its value, and it happened. And at that point I also told you that it is not a bullish play and it is quite bearish for now, and we can hit the range in between $9 and about $8. And as you can see, we hit exactly this range as I predicted, and for now we are hovering inside this range. And I will show you what should you expect next in my technical analysis. But for now, let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. So let's start with the company profile. For those of you who don't know, Ocugen, a clinical biopharmaceutical company, focuses on developing gene therapies to cure blindness diseases. And their recent catalyst that drives the price, let me show it to you, for several months, it was a strategic partnership with the Biotech for the commercialization of Covaxin in the United States and Canadian markets. And just several days ago, they posted their earnings report, and let me quote you these bullets. Ocugen Q3 GAAP earnings per share is -5 cents and it misses by 1 cent. And this company doesn't have any revenue, that's why we cannot project some revenue estimations. And on top of that, cash equivalents and restricted cash totaled $107.5 million as of September 30th, 2021, compared to $24.2 million as of December 31st, 2020. Research and development expenses for the 3 months ended September 30th, 2021 were $6.3 million compared to $1.5 million for the 3 months ended September 30, 2020. And I have to say that this company is still in their R&D mode, and let me show you their latest presentation. And as you can see, we are on Q3 financial results and conference call and webcast presentation, and it has 25 pages in it. And if I try to find something related to Covaxin, as you can see, Covaxin, we don't have any mentions of Covaxin inside this presentation. This means, for now, for this company, partnership with Biotech is not the primary target. And that's why you have to be extremely cautious, because this company lost its momentum related to the pandemic, related to Covaxin and the partnership with the Biotech for selling its vaccine on the US and Canadian territory. And let me show you this news. It was published on November 11th, and it's titled Ocugen rises after announcing the LANCET published COVID-19 vaccine data. And let me quote you these bullets. Ocugen is trading higher after announcing that the medical journal The Lancet published phase 3 data for Covaxin, the COVID-19 vaccine candidate the company intends to commercialize in the United States. First of all, the shares up only for 2.8%. And let me show you that the recent movements, this recent movement to the upside was more than 135%. And the movement of 2.8% is just a fraction of its potential movement. That's why this news doesn't have any impact for the price of this company. On top of that, as you can see right here, the COVID-19 vaccine, the company intends to commercialize in the United States. This means they don't have any sales, and the most optimistic forecast for the start of the sales is the middle of 2022. And this means from the Covaxin, this company might have benefits only in Q3 2022. And you have to keep in mind that they will have only 45% of all of the revenues. On sales, this vaccine on Canadian and United States territory. That's why, for now, this company doesn't have any fundamentals for your long-term investments. So, and let me show you the TPRanks forecast. We have 4 ratings. 2 analysts suggest to buy the stock, 2 suggest to hold. And the lowest price target is $4 and the highest price target is $15. And even to the average price, potentially we might have about 1% of downside potential. And this is very bearish forecast, I have to say. And for the long term, this company is not the best choice. And let me show you that it's losing its momentum from the retail community as well. And for now, we have this ticker on the 8th place on the most active section on the Stock Tweets website, and we don't have this ticker on the trending and watchers section. This means this company loses its momentum, and that's why you have to be cautious. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, I nailed the majority of these movements, and the worst forecast from my technical analysis was right here at this very point. And right here I've told you that we have to have the accumulation level right here when we will have the retracement in order to catch this movement to the upside. But instead of this retracement, we had this movement to the upside, and the retracement happened only from the level of $16 to this range. And that's why, as you can see, we missed this movement to the upside, but we nailed the majority of previous movements. And with this movement, you didn't lose any money with this ticker. You just missed the opportunity to collect some profits in this trade. So, and from this top, I made a video where I projected the huge decrease in price of this asset. And as you can see from this very top, it's down for about 54%. And congratulations to all of you who didn't took any long trades with this ticker right after my call. And from this point, if you are risky enough and if you want to catch some news, because for now we don't have any fundamentals that might drive the price of this company for the long period of time, you can wait the news and you can anticipate some upcoming events. And with these events, you can try to catch the next trade, but in my opinion, we still have more chances to hit even lower targets. And let me show you that from this point, we have several supports line at the ranges of about $7, slightly below this price point, and right here at around $6. So every round number of the price might be the support level where we might land. And for now, I highly recommend you to stay aside from any trades with this ticker, because it doesn't worth your attention and it doesn't worth the risks. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys until next time. Bye.